The school isn't centered on engineering, although we have a really great program. I actually, I get to choose from gen eds and electives that are, like Harry Potter and religion or, floral design. And so you get a lot more exposure to a lot of different things being in a school that has a college of agriculture, a college of journalism, a college of, all kinds of colleges that it's not really specific. And you also get a lot more diversity in the people you're around, whether that's girls and guys or, different races and different cultures. The thing I love about Mizzou is that you do have that social aspect. You have just a wide variety of people who, I call them up and I'm like, hey, I have an hour that I don't have to do homework. Can we go get lunch or let's go hang out? And so, like my freshman year when I was going through gen eds, I had a group of people who was like who I was living with in the dorm or, who I was living with in my apartment where I am now. And then once I started getting into my chemie classes where it was like 20 people and I was taking a lot more of those, then I got my group of like academic friends. And so, that's the cool thing about Mizzou is I have like different groups of friends that are based on, years that I was here and what I was doing at that time. You're expecting this, campus to just be like filled with people, but I have a lot of classes that are 20 people. And so it's even smaller than what I had in high school. And, it was different for me trying to get used to a smaller class, actually. And it was nice, though, because I'm with a lot of the same people in my classes. And so I can, communicate with them and I can hang out with them. And so it's still that kind of, you have your group of friends. Get involved in other things where you can talk to people who can give you advice like, oh, don't take that teacher, he's the worst, take this one. So get involved with things like ambassadors or, concrete canoe or hydrogen car, because those things are, what you get away from school from a little bit.